Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best non-stick pans that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking for a premium option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Tramontina Professional 10-inch non-stick frying pan. This pan is designed for those who want professional-grade quality at a mid-range price. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum, it ensures quick, even heat distribution, a must for consistent cooking results. The reinforced non-stick coating allows for effortless food release and easy cleanup, perfect for everything from delicate omelets to hearty stir-fries. The standout feature of the Tramontina pan is its construction. The sturdy aluminum body and the NSF certification make it a reliable choice for both home cooks and professionals. The red silicone handle is not only comfortable, but also removable, making the pan oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, though it's not suitable for induction. Another bonus is its dishwasher-safe design, which simplifies maintenance. Priced at $34.95, this pan strikes a balance between affordability and performance. It's ideal for home cooks who want reliable, professional-quality cookware without breaking the bank. While the non-stick coating is durable, it may wear out over time with heavy use. Overall, the Tramontina pan is a fantastic option for anyone seeking performance and durability at a reasonable price. Taking the third spot is the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This 2-piece set includes 10-inch and 12-inch pans, making it versatile for a variety of cooking tasks, from frying eggs to searing proteins. The standout feature here is the titanium advanced non-stick coating, which offers exceptional durability and effortless food release. T-fal's unique thermo spot indicator helps you know exactly when the pans are preheated to the optimal temperature, perfect for achieving professional-level results. The build quality is impressive, with a hard anodized aluminum exterior that's highly durable and resistant to scratches. The ergonomic silicone handles are comfortable to grip and oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making these pans suitable for a range of recipes. While they're dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain the longevity of the non-stick coating. Priced at $62.95, the T-fal set offers excellent value for a mid-tier option. This is a great choice for home chefs who cook frequently and need reliable, versatile cookware. The lack of induction compatibility might be a drawback for some, but overall, this set is highly functional and user-friendly. In the runner-up position, we have the All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This premium 2-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pans that are perfect for everything from browning meats to sautéing veggies. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, while the stainless steel base makes it induction compatible, a big win for versatility. The high-quality PTFE non-stick coating offers long-lasting performance and hassle-free cleaning. Designed with a sleek, contoured profile, these pans are as stylish as they are functional. The double-riveted stainless steel handles are sturdy and provide a secure grip, even when the pans are full. Oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-friendly, these pans are built to handle a variety of cooking techniques and make cleanup a breeze. However, to prolong the non-stick surface, it's best to use wooden, nylon, or silicone utensils. At $99.99, this set is pricier than the average non-stick pan, but the performance and durability justify the investment. It's ideal for serious home cooks who want premium cookware that can handle daily use. The only downside is the higher price point, but the quality and versatility make it worth every penny. Finally, at number 1, we have the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-inch Frying Pan, the ultimate choice for those who want the best of both worlds. HexClad's patented hybrid technology combines a stainless steel surface with a Terabond ceramic nonstick coating, giving you the ability to sear, sauté, and fry like a pro. The tri-ply construction featuring an aluminum core, ensures rapid and even heat distribution. Its compatibility with all cooktops, including induction, and its ability to handle oven temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit make it a standout performer. The design is sleek and modern, and the Stay Cool stainless steel handle adds to the premium feel. The laser-etched hexagonal pattern not only looks unique, but also provides a perfect balance between non-stick convenience and the ability to achieve a restaurant-quality sear. It's dishwasher safe and metal utensil safe, making it highly durable and easy to maintain. At $149, this pan is an investment, but it's backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring you'll get your money's worth. It's perfect for home chefs who prioritize performance, durability, and versatility. While the price may be steep for some, the HexClad pan is truly in a league of its own. Pros include its hybrid design, high durability, and outstanding performance, while the main con is the higher cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cooking!